Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're teaching you how to tell when your red potatoes are ready for harvest. We'll also provide techniques for careful harvesting, discuss the curing process, and share tips on optimal storage conditions to ensure the longest shelf life. Let's get started. Here's how to tell when your red potatoes are ready. First, the flowering stage. Harvest a few weeks after the plants have flowered and the foliage starts to yellow and die back. Second, the digging test. Gently dig around the base of a few plants to check the size of the tubers. Harvesting your red potatoes carefully is important to prevent bruising. Use a garden fork to gently lift the plants from the soil, starting about a foot away from the plant to avoid damaging the tubers. Then, handle gently. Carefully brush off excess soil and handle the potatoes gently to avoid bruising them. Curing is essential to prepare your potatoes for storage. First, drying. Spread the harvested potatoes in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area for about 1 to 2 weeks to toughen the skins and heal minor injuries. Proper storage extends the shelf life of your potatoes. Store the cured potatoes in a cool, dark place with good ventilation at 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. And, don't forget to avoid light. Keep the potatoes away from light to prevent them from turning green and developing solanine. Harvesting, curing, and storing your red potatoes properly ensures you get the best quality and longest shelf life. By following these tips, you can enjoy your homegrown potatoes for months. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll cover more gardening tips and techniques. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and eco-friendly ideas. Happy gardening!